do a trick? You gonna do a trick? Okay, sit. Okay, lay down. Hey, what is that? You don't slap me. Come here. Hey, sit. Lay down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over all the way. What is that? That's not... he's never acted this way over a treat. Like, look. He's going crazy. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Oh, look at that belly. Your rollovers are pathetic. At least
lay on his back.
You should lay down. At least you do it. You love it. Hi, boo boo. You jealous? Food? What? Food? You don't like them. I don't have any more, Link. Calm down. Get off the camera. Get up. Dexter. Dexter. No? Okay. No, I don't have any more, Link. You're like, don't you dare give him any of my treats. Oh, Boo Boo said I roll over. All right, this is breakfast. This is what I'm starting my day with. This is my coffee that has my MCT oil and collagen from Left Coast Performance. Then I have these are like halves, so probably, and I already ate probably one, so like 3 pieces of bacon. And this is 4 fried eggs cooked in the bacon grease, salt and pepper. Alright guys, so I have a few different companies that have started to reach out to me to ask me just to review their products, and if it's something that I'm actually interested in, I'm gonna say okay. So this was a massage gun, and yes, I was actually very interested in it because I get sore neck and shoulders sometimes. So this thing is gigantic. I think I'm gonna actually get a discount code for this. I don't know exactly what it is yet. By the time I post this video, I will definitely. So it's supposed to help like joint pain and trigger point. It has trigger point massage, sore muscle relief. You can use it after like you work out and your muscles are sore. You can use it before you work out. I don't know, it's got all these different settings. A round one to help reduce, this is what you would use for your workouts. The spinal one, a flat one, the bullet for like knots and stuff, and then a fingertip one to like get like deep trigger points. I'm gonna take Corey to Kohl's. I'm going to unbox this when I get home and we'll try it out. Hey guys, Corey and I just went to Kohl's. He needed a new hoodie and they had some jewelry that was on sale, and these little earrings, these little dog paws were $6. They're so cute. And then this little necklace was $6. So cute. They match my bracelet that Melanie made me, and I just really like them. Corey's already got his new hoodie on. Aren't they the cutest little earrings? All right, so this is lunch. Corey and I stopped at Wendy's for ourselves. The boys still haven't eaten breakfast. I made them bacon, eggs, and toasted bagels, and they're still sitting there. And it's what time is it? 3 o'clock. So I didn't pick them up anything, but I got myself this Parmesan chicken Caesar salad. It comes with the Parmesan crisps from Wendy's, and I put some salt and pepper on top of it with the Caesar dressing it comes with. It's only 1 carb. Then this is a Dave's Double. I put my own sugar-free ketchup, my own mustard, my own pickles, and some of the bacon that I cooked up this morning. This is the packet for the dressing. You can see it's 1 carb. Hello, 8 fat. I can't really read through the lens. How many protein? 1 gram protein. So yeah. And I got a cherry vanilla Coke Zero. This is my lunch. I'll see you soon. You're sitting on top of my vanilla cherry Coke Zero. Okay, so I'm opening this up, and I want to say it comes in a nice package, actually. Nice little suitcase. Unzips. Quick reminder, we designed the Sonic to be super awesome. If anything goes wrong with it, give us a call, text, or send us an email and we will refund or exchange for a new one. lifeprofitness.com. So these are the attachments. This one has a different texture. These ones are hard, very hard. This is literally a finger. It's very weird looking. Just gonna say that. This is actually very heavy. Very, very heavy. I would say this, I don't even know how much this weighs. Maybe, it's heavier than my cat. I don't know. I don't know how heavy this would be. This finish here is very soft. It's like that, I don't know how to describe this. This is how my laptop feels actually. It's like a silky smooth matte. Then this is just regular hard plastic. This is the glossy plastic. There's a few buttons that I see before I plug it in. There's a button here. There's a button here. On the back here it has, I'm assuming these light up to show you what settings you're on, battery power, etc. Oh, it actually, it's not even plugged in and the lights came on when I turned it on. So it must have some charge left in it. So we're going to, I don't know, use this one. Just, it says it's 2.5 pounds. This feels a lot heavier than 2.5 pounds. And it automatically shuts off after 10 minutes. This is at 20. I don't know how to change. Okay, this here changes the speed. This is at the fastest speed. Then it stops. Okay, so this is 20. What do you think about it, Dexter? Ooh, he likes it. Dexter likes it. This isn't for you, boo. This isn't for you, but you like it, don't you? Get out of here. My back, my neck actually hurts. I feel so funny, like I can feel my glasses shaking. That actually feels good though. I don't know if I'd like it at a higher speed. We can try. Oh no, it does feel good at a higher speed. Ooh. Yeah, Dexter likes it. You like this, don't you, boo? He's like, yes. Alright, let's try a different nozzle. Oh wow, I feel so like weird after that. This one is supposed to mimic like deep tissue massage. I don't know this one. Oh, it does! That's so weird! It feels like a person. Like their finger rubbing. But I can see how that could end up being painful. I don't know what this button on the side was for, I forget. This flat one is supposed to be for muscles and areas that need a little more help. I don't want that one. This one's for your spine. I don't want that one. I think I like this one. Sometimes I get very sore, like up in here. That feels good, right? This is the weirdest thing. And like right here on my shoulders when I wake up, because I like to sleep with like this, so sometimes I get sore right there. This is such a weird feeling. Feels good on your leg and muscle. Dexter loves it. If anything, it's a great cat massager. My thoughts on it, it's a great cat massager. No, it works. I mean, it's a great, if you work out a lot and you have like sore muscles, or you enjoy massages, I think that this is a great tool. Now that it's covered in cat hair. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I think it is definitely a great tool. I don't know why there's some sticky stuff right in there. Right in there. So when I take this out, it's kind of left behind. It's probably like oil or something. Some type of, it's not sticky. It's like a grease. Just a little bit right there. Yeah, I think it's a good thing. I like it. Oh, it does have a book. It came out, where was that? I didn't even see that. Okay, sorry, I'm stupid. Here's the book. Oh, look, she's using it on the back of her leg right there. Yes. They also sell other products. They have something called a vibrating foam roller. It's the Surger, and they show them like rolling over it. So yeah, Life Pro, that's the name of the company. This is the Sonic Active Recovery Massage Gun. I like it. It's pretty neat. And Dexter loves it. So thank you for that. All right. Thank you. Pretty nice tool. All right, so I'm gonna install these lights now. I'm gonna have to read the directions because I have no idea. But just to give you an idea of what we're working with, this is my desk. That is my boyfriend texting me. Let me get Wendy's out of the way. This is my desk. I'm a little bit obsessed with Mario. If you haven't seen that yet, World of Warcraft and Mario and Overwatch, that is my jam. I like Pokemon too. Some pictures that my kids have drawn me, things that I've made, little Mario collectors, Yoshis. That's me and my mom. I got that from Tammy because she knew that I had to sell mine, and so she replaced it for me. How sweet. And the reason why these lights are going to be so cool is because they're going to go along with my theme. I need to take this off and dust inside there. But that changes color, right? My headset has these plates on it that change color as well. I really like that. I can set them to different colors. My mouse I can change to different colors, and my keyboard I can also change to different colors. So I think that this is going to be really cool. I'm not sure if I want to put them behind one of the monitors because I have two monitors and I think it would look silly. So I'm thinking under this, maybe? I don't know. I'm going to see.
Yellow.
All right. It came with a sticky thing that you can attach the remote to wherever, so I just stuck it on the side of my computer. Reese is messing with it right now, but if I just had one more strip. So this is one strip here, one strip here, one strip here, one strip here. And no strip up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I would have had one more, I could have put it over here. It would have looked great, but I think it looks okay. He's changing the colors right now. I do not care for yellow. Make it like at least the color that matches my keyboard and the computer and the... So, there we go. Now, how cool is that? That is neat. I really like these lights. They were really easy to set up and put together. They came with the little clips that hold them up and then the double-sided tape. So I think they're pretty cool. I'll link them down below. They're off of Amazon. No code or anything like that. I'll link the price too. Yeah, set it to flash. You can set it to flash, I think. And then you can speed that up or slow it down. Of course, I don't want it to flash when I'm sitting at my desk. I don't need to have a seizure. Oh yeah, we don't need it. But you can do things like that with them. So this is kind of neat. I like it. I also kind of wanted to start doing this thing where whoever comments first on my videos, I'm going to include you in my next video. So Constance, you were the first person to comment on my last video. I've pinned your comment and I'm going to include it here and reply to you. So what games do you ask? I play a lot of Overwatch and World of Warcraft. I've also had a Neopets account since 2004 and I used to super be into it. Still play it from time to time. I was actually just playing it earlier as I was watching Schitt's Creek on Netflix. So see who comments first on this video and I'll do the same. I think it's kind of a fun thing and I don't know, kind of a way if you wanted to ask questions or just be first. It's kind of like a little shout out. So alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I just ate the rest of the leftover steak from yesterday. It's about 8 o'clock at night, so I guess that was dinner and earlier was lunch. I don't know what you want to call it, but I am finished eating for the night and I'm actually drinking a cup of coffee. Is that weird to drink a cup of coffee at 8 o'clock at night? I don't know. I went to bed really early yesterday and I would like to stay up later tonight. I want to get my video edited. I just kind of want to play some games, watch some TV, relax. It's raining. I can listen to the rain and watch TV. Maybe I'll read my book. I don't know. But I'm going to close out the vlog so I can start editing and I'm a girl. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.